Is your iPhone alarm too loud? Here's how to reduce the alarm volume step by step. First, it's important to know the alarm volume is controlled by Ringtone and Alerts volume, not inside the clock app itself. So let's adjust it. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Now look for Ringtone and Alerts. You'll see a volume slider. Drag the slider to the left to reduce the alarm volume. As you adjust it, your iPhone will play a sample sound so you can hear the volume level. Important, this also changes the volume for incoming calls, notification sounds, other alert tones, so make sure it's not too low. Optional tip: turn off change with buttons if you don't want the side volume buttons to accidentally change your alarm volume. Now, if you want to test it, open the clock app. Tap Alarm at the bottom, select your alarm, and tap Sound to preview it. That's it. Your alarm volume is now reduced. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.